It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
College shit is not it, bro.
Oh.
Just gonna go to college, go to a community college.
It was like fucking 30, 40 years ago.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Just go to a community college.
Look at this fucking AI, dude. I'm an AI for missing all those shots, okay.
I see one land over here on the side. Like that.
I can't wait to still get called a cheater while I have the anti-cheat.
Yeah, I know. He's fucking cheating, bro.
There's a kid down here behind this fucking pillar, bro. He's playing with Oh my god, SCG knowing.
Great fucking notification, dude. You just hit me. Okay, yeah.
Oh, you down? Oh, you got down by that. Alright.
You're down by the airstrike.
Yeah, that's the thing that just didn't even ping on my fucking screen.
I didn't get one either.
I think we just got outplayed.
Clearly.
This store so much. I fucking my controller fucking.
Yeah. So look at the thing.
No.
Sorry, me too. It's been happening.
My bad. Gotcha. 09.
John, I'm coming. I'm getting in the mix, bro.
I think it's just one, but he got knocked. I don't know.
Oh my
God,
god.
is that a grizzly bear?
Yeah.
Heck, oh, what the fuck? The full team up here.
Oh, nice. You guys are by yourselves. So I'm
Yeah, he's flying in too.
Get me up. Get me up. Get me
I don't
up.
even want to go back up there.
Yeah, no shot. I run back up there.
Can I go up the zip line, Ed?
My prayers are with y'all.
Yeah, that guy's a fucking.
Like, I can't pull my shoot, bro. I have to run to you.
You're fine. You're fine.
Shit, Mike.
No.
Spat on.
He's getting shot from further up.
He's getting shot in the back, yeah. Give me that hoe. Give me that hoe. We got an amp guy, not Joe.
One right here, actually.
What?
I'm an idiot, bro. Look at him.
His teammates to the
Go
far
ahead,
right,
two
right.
on two.
Okay, hold on, hold on.
Along the fence, along the fence.
I know. I'm stunned. Love it.
Like that.
Why?
Help, he's on the fence.
You want me? Alright. I'll be down there.
How many did you kill? Two? Team two of
Fucking
them.
bushes, bro.
This
Fucking
MP40 is horrendous. I'm never picking this shit up again. He almost killed me, and I shot him like a half an hour before him.
Yeah, that's how I feel with this fucking SCG, bro. Like, the green one, I have no, like, aim assist with it.
Fucking dog shite.
Here.
Dylan. Oh, actually, I'll grab it. Thought you were saying throw it.
He just flew in.
I think they just took the yeah, they took the this shit, whatever this shit's called. Fucking
Yeah, fire this
on
guy
it.
as he goes across.
Damn, there's mad kids at peak now. What the fuck?
This kid sees me OD.
I downed that kid.
No, he doesn't. Wow. I was wallbanging the piss out of that
One more
kid. Yeah.
They'll probably bleed out realistically. Before he gets up there.
Oh, our loadout's there? Fuck.
He's back along this wall, bro. There's a kid in front of me here shooting him.
Going down
One's
low.
flying down right now.
Beside him.
Down.
This fucking gun is so bad.
Yeah, they
Okay.
pulled loadout. Luke, drop here. We can buy loadout.
Okay.
I might
legit
just keep this bar and go ghost, bro. This
I know, what
bar
the?
is so
Sniping? Jesus Christ.
Do it, man.
Yeah, he is.
He is. Look at him.
Cracked it through the wall.
He's on the loadout, right behind it. No shot. He gets the sniper.
I need help, Mike.
That kid's fucking nasty.
Another kid flying.
Yeah, I'm
He's
coming
down.
around right now. I didn't take that thing.
I just fucking shitted on that kid so bad. He's screaming right now. On God. Oh my lord.
Love it. Love to hear it, man. Takes a little more like brain power to like rotate. You don't just car next POI, car next POI. It's like you actually need some sort of a brain to like make rotations. But it's hurt.
I'll drop your bet to get a couple UAVs.
Yeah. Get a self.
Alright.
Last one was up here by the Bertha shit.
Yeah.
Buy a UAV and a self, low key.
Let's get it on
Low
me.
key, bro. I'm gonna go back up this shit and just get the.
Ride.
Oh, damn, I might.
Oh shit.
Can you fill him?
Yeah, he's dead.
Close. I mean,
Okay, come. Nice.
Yeah, I
Piss
just
on
gotta
him.
go.
Nah. Get us off.
Fuck.
I knocked this one close.
I got him. He's wide.
Yeah.
Alright, I got that thing.
He's
Right,
fucking-
the rock.
No, he's not. No,
Where's
he's not. No, he's
his-
not.
Oh, I see.
Good work.
Fill him.
He's dead. He's
I
dead.
think that's fucking. Oh, I see
Threw
through
a fucking knife into his
His
neck.
teammate's right here to the left. I can't get the live ping, but
I see.
Just shitted on those kids. Good shit, Mike.
This thing is disgusting, bro.
Good work.
In the air.
Oh, it's coming up too. Coming up.
Jesus Christ.
So there's a kid coming up.
Yeah, I saw him on the UAV. Yeah, I see him. They're behind spot right here. Oh, it might be a whole team. It's gonna be a bounty. Yeah, guy on the right too.
This SCG sucks from far.
Oh, what? Got that kid pretty hurt. Just sitting in the storm.
There's somebody on me.
Dude, these kids are so bad. I died by fucking.
Kids might have been ghosted. Weird. Hope not, man. Hope not, man.
Jesus Christ, because I'm a turret down here.
Then tell dude, that what you said. I should lose gas.
This kid's holding me on a turret, bro. He's a demon.
Vince is dead.
Absolutely just spit on that kid in the gulag. He didn't even have a chance to look at me. Goofball.
These kids are weirdos, man.
Is there any like loot around you guys?
Go to the loadout.
Well, no, I know, but I meant like plates and shit.
I'm dead.
Alright, guys, sit here. I'm chasing Spin for you guys back.
Such an 8 spot to be in. Whatever. These kids are horrible. Fire sale.
Kid's a bullet.
Yeah, I was saying, look, I had one like kind of hurt.
You can see, bro. Kid's a bullet right there. Fucking iron sights in this game. Oh, this thing
I can
is so
turn too.
good.
Kid just flew in
I'm gonna
on
go
me,
to the
like,
store
the
here
minute
real quick.
I
I'm
shot
trying to
it,
get a load
he
off you. I mean, UAV.
No shot, bro. I'm dead.
No, hold on.
I see him at the door, Mike.
I can't see him. It says I'm below him. I can't even see him.
No, he's up top at the door.
Oh, what, yellow?
Riv, I need your help,
Yeah,
bro.
I see him.
Yeah, I'm going.
In this building.
I knocked one. I need to place storm here.
Little weirdo.
Man's a hider.
To your left,
He's
Riv.
not
To your
good.
left.
Daddy's taking his fruit loop.
I have one down. Fuck.
I need a res, bro, please.
Look at him. Yeah.
Kids are awful too. Fuck. He was right there.
No
Oh
aim
my
assist, bro.
I've been losing it OD too. I don't know what the deal is. Is it like because there's trees over here? Or... Oh, felt way
I
better
need
in
that load
Verdansk.
of that too.
I did too. Us. What we got? What we got? Okay.
My god, bro. It's the same squad that fucking killed me, bro. You got, to your left. Whoever's blue, to your left. I'm getting
I know.
close.
He said,
Yeah, both of them. So look. You don't want that gunny, bro. That's dangerous.
I think there's kids to your right at that store, Luke.
I know.
I got one down right here.
Okay.
Is blue gun for fun?
There, right there, to your right, Luke, to your right. One more to your left, to your left.
Head glitching on the crane, bro.
Nice.
On top or?
Yeah.
Oh, I see him.
One's knocked on the bottom floor. You might have
Oh
stuff
my
though.
On
God,
his
fly
fucking.
on this fucking loser.
Look at me. Look at me. Biffle.
I think that's a radar right there, maybe.
Cluster. Oh,
What's
I'm
up?
dead.
What are you shooting at?
Relax.
That gun is so gross. Oh my god.
Right?
Damn, me and John just fried.
Bro, I
Dude,
died twice, bro. You're sick of me.
fuck, I should never died. Think he's in there? Oh, it's
I
so
think you might have.
He's down low. Dude, he's just eating gas, bro. Come on. Repeat? No, we
Fucking
lost last game.
fire.
Never mind.
74. Can't really be mad about it. Gosh, just help them on the edge.
Double 7K though. Fuck yeah.